In these challenging days, it's important to stay covered when you're outdoors, and not just from the sun. Stay cool and stay covered with Mission Instant Cooling Gear, the leader in instant cooling technology, helping you stay safe when you're outside so you can do more. Mission's Cooling Neck Gaiter is a multifunctional face and neck cover that helps keep you guarded from dirt, dust, debris, even harmful UV rays. And in these uncertain times, they offer cool, comfortable coverage for your nose and mouth. Other face masks can be hot and fall apart. Mission's Cooling Gaiters slip on easily and stay put thanks to our lightweight, breathable performance stretch fabric that offers up to UPF 50 sun protection. And Mission's cooling fabric technology can be water activated to cool down to 30 degrees below body temperature. Machine washable, chemical-free cooling you can use over and over again. With its versatile design, you can wear your Mission Cooling Gaiter 12 different ways. Try it as a face mask, hair wrap, or full head cover. No matter how you twist it, Mission's got you covered.